Hello friends, my name is Sahil and this is my Personal Finance Academy. There are 6,000 companies listed on NSE. For any investor, the biggest task is to identify the top companies from this huge ocean of stock market. Especially for new investors, it is very difficult to identify quality stocks. Some of them end up investing in penny stock or very small companies without solid management and financials. And they eventually lose money in the stock market. Hence, over the past few weeks, I have curated a list of top 18 large cap stock, top 10 mid cap stock and top 10 small cap stock with great management, great business, great financial and solid growth prospect. But there are still a lot of great companies that I could not include in my list. I have been doing a lot of research and number crunching and I have identified 100 plus super stock across various sectors in India. These stocks are gem of gems. My selection criteria is based on analysis of company and its business, competitive strength, financials and future growth prospect. Please note that this list only covers stock with market cap more than 1000 crore. So I have not included micro cap stocks. There are mainly two reasons. First is they are highly volatile company that can be driven by operators. And second, there is little information available about them on public domain. Currently, there are about 750 plus companies with a market share of 1000 plus crore. Out of those, I have identified 100 plus companies. I have categorized them into various sectors. So we will pick the companies sector by sector. And folks, before we start with the list, I am not sure if you are aware, but I am an ex-data analytics consultant and I love doing number crunching. I have created a live tracker of all these companies with all the relevant information required for quickly analyzing the company. I will share the details at the end of this video. Please note that this video is for educational purpose and this list is only for the shortlisting. You should do an in-depth research including the valuation analysis before investing your money. Alright, I have divided this video in two parts. In the first part, I have explained why you should invest in Indian economy. And then in second part, I have mentioned these stock names from each sector. So let's get started. Before you even consider investing in the Indian stock market, you should know why it is worth investing in the market. First reason is that it is the fastest growing economy. Folks, India is one of the fastest growing economy in the world. After the recent contraction in the economy due to COVID, IMF, that is the International Monetary Fund, has forecasted a growth rate of 11.5% in FY22. As per the latest news, India is currently ranked 6th in terms of GDP. However, India is expected to become the third largest economy by 2030, overtaking Japan, Germany and the UK. Second reason is that India is one of the biggest consumer market. The sheer size of Indian population, which is the second largest in the world, makes India one of the biggest consumer market of the world. No wonder why companies like Amazon to Google to Facebook to Tesla are keen on investing in Indian market. Next reason is rising income and spending level. Friends, as the economy is growing, the salary levels are rising. Today, we have more working population including women. The rising income level is resulting in a need for a better lifestyle and increasing spending level. Next reason is youngest country. We are one of the youngest nation in the world with a median age of 29 years. This young workforce creates immense potential for growth. Next reason is low cost workforce. One of the biggest advantage of India's economy is the low cost workforce as compared to the developed nations like the US or the Japan. This is one of the reasons why India is the IT hub of the world and also a preferred nation for R&D activities, especially in the pharma sector. This also creates a huge opportunity in the manufacturing segment. Next reason is adoption of technology. Earlier known as the land of snake charmers, India has now become the IT hub of the world. What a brilliant transformation. 21st century is all about digital and we are one of the front runner in this digital transformation. For example, the UPI payment is a classic case of India's digital transformation in banking space, where we can transfer money from one account to another within few seconds. Today, even the remotest villages have good internet connection. Likewise, we have significantly progressed in areas like e-commerce, online education or advanced technologies. India is transforming at a very fast rate. Indian government is focused towards the digital movement with Digital India initiative, which would be the key to India's dominance in the 21st century. Friends, I am not saying that India is a perfect country. There are many flaws. However, if you look at the last 20 years, we have come a long way. I strongly believe that the way US has grown in the last 20 years or China has grown in the last 25 years, India would grow similarly for the next 30 to 50 years and the 21st century would belong to India. Having said this, a lot would depend upon execution. But I am a strong believer in India's growth journey and I think that it is the best opportunity to invest in India. Now let's start with our list of top stock in each sector. First sector is FMCG and food, which is an evergreen sector. No matter, we would continue to consume the food and daily essential item. This sector also enjoys very high profitability as the debtors day are very low. In FMCG, my top picks include HUL, ITC, Nestle, Dabur, Britannia, Godrej Consumer, Tata Consumer Product and Marico. In food category, I have Jubilant Foodwork, Varun Beverage, Avanti Feed, Hindustan Food and Tasty Bites. Banking and financial services are the backbone of the economy. An economy can't grow without the support of banking sector. Within banking and financial services, let's start with private banks. My top list include SDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, Axis Bank, Bandhan Bank and IDFC First Bank. In public banks, I have SBI Bank and Bank of Baroda. In small finance category, I have AU Small Finance. Within financial services, I have SDFC Limited, Bajaj Finserv and Max Financial. Within NBFC, my list includes Bajaj Finance, Muthoot Finance and Manappuram Finance. Friends, there is an ever-growing demand for healthcare sector due to rising lifestyle diseases and various other factors. Especially after COVID, we have realized the importance of healthcare even more. Within healthcare, let's first start with Pharma. My list includes Sun Pharma, Divis Lab, Cipla, Aurobindo Pharma, Dr. Reddy, Abbott, Ipca Lab, Laurus Lab, Alembic Pharma, Gland Pharma and Sequence Science. Within diagnostic, it includes Dr. Lal Path Lab, Metropolis Healthcare and Thyrocare. This is the hottest sector currently in India due to structural shift from China to India and I have many companies in this category. My list includes Pidilite, Aarti Industry, Deepak Nitrite, Vinati Organics, Tata Chemical, Naveen Fluorine, Alkyne Amine, Balaji Amine, Galaxy Surfactant, Atul Limited, Fine Organics, Chemcom Specialty and Advanced Enzyme. Within agrochemical, I have PI Industry, Bayer Crop Science, Coromandel International, Dhanuka Agrotech, Sumitomo Chemical and Bharat Rasayan. Again, a key sector with immense growth potential due to the next wave of growth in electrical vehicle. In four-wheeler passenger and commercial vehicle, I have Tata Motor, Maruti Suzuki, M&M that is Mahindra and Mahindra, Ashok Leyland. Within two-wheeler, I have Hero MotoCorp, Eicher Motor, Bajaj Auto and TVS. Within auto auxiliary, my list includes Motherson Sumi, Honeywell Auto, Endurance Technology, Excite Battery, Amara Raja Battery, Webco India, MRF and Balkrishna Industry. Friends, the future is digital and IT and technology sector has immense growth potential. Within IT, my list includes TCS, Infosys, Wipro, HCL, Tech Mahindra, L&T Infotech, Mindtree, Persistent System and Happiest Mind. Within software and technology category, my list includes Tata Elxsi, Cyient, Sonata Software, InfoEdge, L&T Technology, IndiaMart Intermesh, 3M India, Coforge, Tanla Platform, Affle India, Route Mobile, CAMS and IEX. Electrical and electronics are again a basic necessity. My list includes Havells India, Whirlpool of India, Crompton Greaves, Polycab, TTK Prestige, Finolex Cable, KEI Industries, Hawking Cookers and Orient Electric. Friends, infrastructure is one segment that would see tremendous growth due to construction of roads, buildings, airports, ports, etc. Within infra, let's start with cement. My list includes Ultratech Cement, Shree Cement, Ambuja Cement and JK Cement. Within construction, I have L&T. Within ceramics, it includes Kajaria Ceramic and Cera Sanitary Ware. Within paint, it includes Asian Paint, Berger Paint, Kansai Nerolac and Indigo Paints. In power and steel, it includes Tata Power and Tata Steel. Within plastic and piping, my list includes Astral Polytechnic, Supreme Industry, Phenolics Industry and Prince Pipes. Next sector is textile. Textile include Page Industry, Trident, Lux Industries and Gearware Technical. Next sector is AMC. It includes SDFC AMC, UTI AMC and Nippon AMC. Next sector is insurance, which include SDFC Life, SBI Life, ICICI Prudential Life. Next sector is retail, which include Titan, Avenue Supermart and Trent. Next sector is manufacturing, which include Dixon Technology, Umber Enterprise, GMM Pfaudler and Voltas. Next sector is utility, which include Indraprasth Gas, Mahanagar Gas and Gujarat Gas. Next is telecom, which includes Reliance and Airtel. Friends, Reliance is a conglomerate, but I have kept it in telecom category. Now let's look at the miscellaneous category. It includes IRCTC from catering and tourism, Weber Global from jewelry, Relaxo Footwear and Bata from footwear sector, Crisil from research, Sheila Foam from form and mattress, Century Plywood from ply sector, and finally it includes United Breweries, United Spirit and Radico Khaitan from brewery and distillery sector. So this is my list of top companies in Indian stock market. Did I miss any great company with a market cap of more than 1000 crore? Let me know in the comment box. And as I mentioned in my previous video, the markets are in an overvalued state. So invest sensibly. But this list could be a great starting point for you to pick stock for the universe of Indian stock market. I might have missed a few stock here and there, but this list more or less covers the gems of gems. Having said this, the stock market is dynamic. So I will keep reviewing this list periodically and add or remove stocks as per situation. Folks, you can access this list on my website for free. This list includes information like company name, sector, current market cap, current market price, valuation, 52-week high, 52-week low, percentage below 52-week high and percentage above 52-week low, yesterday closing price and percentage change in share price from yesterday. It also includes 5-year profit growth and 5-year ROCE. In addition, I have also updated the sheet with top 18 large cap, top 10 mid cap and top 10 small cap. In the future, I will curate more lists based on various themes like technology, healthcare, etc. and based on various risk profiles and other factors. To learn more about money management, you can explore my video course which covers everything including stock, mutual fund, insurance, tax planning, etc. I am sure you will find it very helpful. Till then, take care.